Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I got a short, easy recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make a creamy garlic dip. Yummy. I had a request to make a garlic dip, so here we go. I love to eat raw vegetables and I love to eat chips, and sometimes I get tired of dipping my vegetables in like ranch dressing. I do like ranch dressing, but it's nice to have something alternatively to dip my vegetables in and my chips. So here we go. This garlic dip is super easy to make, very few ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. First, down below in the description, I'm going to list all the amounts for this recipe. Now let's start with our softened cream cheese. And then I want to add my sour cream to it. If you can't get a hold of sour cream in your country, I do have a video on how to make your own sour cream. It's pretty cool. Or if you want to just make your own sour cream and instead of buying some, check that video out. And then want to add milk, salt, Worcestershire or Worcestershire, however you want to say it, sauce, pepper, and the star of the show, the minced garlic. And I just use my garlic press for this. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hand mixer, or you can use just a fork or a whisk, and we're going to mix this all together. And then halfway through, I'm going to come in with my spatula and give the sides a scrape. And then we're going to turn it on high and mix it till it gets nice and creamy. You probably do want to use a hand mixer instead of a whisk. It'll just be a lot easier. All right, and there we go. And now what you can also do is add some green onion, minced or chopped green onion. You could also add some bacon bits to this if you want. Oh yeah, bacon bits. I just want to transfer it to my serving dish here. And now it's ready to go. There you go, super easy. All right. The creamy garlic dip is done. It turned out fantastic. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also, down below you'll find the ingredients list with the amounts, as well as links to my other social media accounts and my other YouTube channel in case you want to check those out. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab this carrot.